Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import deals from CSV in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your Freshsales dashboard and then click on this dollar icon to access deals. Now, here at the top right, you'll see import deals. Click on this and now we'll be right here on step 1 of 2. So you can click here to browse through your file explorer, or you can just go ahead and drag and drop as well. I'll drag and drop this CSV file. And what you need to do is first, if you have date fields in your file, select the correct date format. I'll stick with this one, day, month, year, and you have different import options. Okay, so you can either create new deals entirely, or you can choose from any of these options, whatever is applicable for you. Some are without override, some are with override. Okay, and if you want to skip duplicates automatically, you can match the Freshsales ID, but make sure your CSV file actually has this Freshsales ID. Otherwise, you'll get an error message. We can also map it using a deal name, okay, to match with that. I'll go ahead and just toggle this one off. So sales owner for unassigned deals, I'll leave it for myself. Come here, click on next, and then make sure that every field, okay, every column is mapped to a CRM field so you don't get any errors, right? And here we go. We'll match it by email primary. Then click here on import, and then you'll get a success message right here. As you can see, deals have been created. And that is how to import deals from CSV in Freshsales.